Hello, my friends, and welcome back. So I have the March journaling kit here, and this month we don't have a journal to go with it. So it's going to be a much smaller kit, but I think it's going to be a good one. So it's going to be a little bit less expensive because obviously there isn't a journal in here. I don't have anything special going on. The rest of the year has a journal every single month. So this one's kind of a journal break, but if you love the journals, no worries. They're coming back next month. And I've already ordered and received all the ones for like the next 6 months. So we have more journals coming, but this one's called Spring Clean. I didn't do a journal for it because I didn't feel like we needed another one, and now I wish I did. So I apologize for that. But you do have one coming next month, and I think I have a lot of really cute things in here. So this is called Spring Clean, and I picked this for this month because I thought that this was the perfect things to start journaling about. Like, we need to get organized. You know, we have the spring cleaning thing that goes on, and just the purging and the cleaning and the self-care and all the things. So I thought that this was a perfect kit for that. So I do have a pen for you. I've got washi here. We've got all the things. So I will just start going through everything. So I'm going to start with this month's pen. So this month's pen, this is Platinum. It's a clean color dot zig dot pen with the right side on the other side. And let me grab, sorry, my ugly sweatshirt. I have my ugly sweatshirt on today. Let me grab this and I will show you the color. It's a very kind of a light, well, it's platinum, but here, I'm going to write. This one is a much lighter one than the purple. So I think this is going to be perfect for your journals, but this is a nice, pretty, like gray, kind of like a green gray almost. I don't know how to explain it, but if you know what platinum is, you'll know when you get it. It's a really pretty color, very neutral. It can go with like a lot of things. And I thought this was perfect to go with this one. So that is your pen. Then we've got two washies. I'll show you them wrapped up and then I'll show you them rolled out. So there's those, and I've got mine here. I've been using them. Let me roll these out for you. I'll use the same paper that we just did the pen test on. This one, and I got some nice neutral washies with this, so these should hopefully go with a lot of kits, especially this one right here with the orange like chuck pattern on it. I think that this one will go really good. It's a nice neutral one to go with a lot of those kinds of things, and then the floral one on the top. So there's that. No foil on these ones this time. So there's those. Put those off to the side. And then you got your stickers. So let's go with the Kiss Cut stickers. If I can get them out of here. They're stuck to this. It's my nails. Okay, so let's do those in the last so that I can actually zoom it in and you can see it. Let's go through these. So your smaller ones, these are your smaller sticker sheets. You've got your March prompts here. Then you've got all of your March like dates that you can use, your monthly scripts. Then you got your days of the week. And then we have a quote sheet with the spring. This is the Spring Fever quote sheet. This is also available in the shop by itself. But in this, it's added into this kit because I really liked the whole Spring Fever thing. And then here we have lots of stuff. So we've got a mini kit. So that one, I added more stickers to this one, more things so that you would have, because we don't have the journal, so we still have more stuff. So this is the mini kit. Right? Then you got your big deco page. You've got your washi page, so lots of washi. Then you've got your journaling kit. And I changed it up. You can see that I changed up the journaling kit. So from now on, the journaling kits are going to be a little bit more like this, where there's a little bit more functionality all the way around. So you've still got your torn papers here. This time you've got some days of the week, and these are Kiss Cut days of the week here. Then you've got some extra boxes to add into, like, I think this would work really well in the Hobonichi. If you have a Hobonichi cousin, this would work really well in the cousin on the dailies. The daily section, because you could just, put these down and then put all of your little lists and stuff in there. So this is the new format for the journaling kits. I hope everybody likes it. I wanted to try up something a little bit different than what we've been doing. So that's that. And then you've got a vellum sheet, which this has like the pink splotches down it. So there's your vellum. Put that over to the side. And then I made these up, and it's going to come in this. So we'll put that over there. You know that I made these up. I doodled them up and then I turned them into notes pages. So you've got this one here, looks like a little house. And this one has your daily tasks and it's got like a check off here. So it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday through Saturday through Sunday, Sunday through Saturday. I can say this. Little note section at the bottom and some lines here where you can write. Looks like a little house. So that's goes in your pages. And then there's 4 of these ones here, which basically have notes sections on them so that you can put whatever you want in the little note section. There's 2 of these, but for some reason I only brought 1 over here. So there's 2 of these and 4 of these, and these all have the different backgrounds on them. So there's all those, and I thought these would be really cute to do like lists and stuff on our pages for like spring cleaning or, you know, purging or whatever it is that you want to do with that. And then we have the die cuts. So we have the little bottle. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see these. Sorry, it's going to take me just a second. So you got your little bottle, some little scrub things. You got that. There's some flowers in this one. Little box. That's going to go perfectly for me organizing the garage. A little cleaning bottle. This one is perfect for me. I have this way too close. I don't even have room to put them all. Hold on. I'm sorry. For like when I go through and I do all of the curtains. I don't know if you guys in your spring cleaning craziness, if you're as nutty as I am when it comes to it, but I pull down all the curtains. I do all the things. The blinds all come down. So that one's a good one for when I do that. Got some rubber gloves, little trash bag. You've got your running out of room. So we're gonna put this like this, a little vacuum, and then grandma's biscuits, like spray bottle. So there's all the little die cuts that are in here. Super, super, super cute. I think they're going to be perfect for when we do all of our lists. And that is everything. So this month, like I said, there's no journal, but I did add more of the stickers and sticker kits and stuff so that you have more to play around with. Full mini kit, your journaling kit, your big deco, your washi. If I could get this, your mini kit, all of your little houses with your boxes on it for you to fill out all of your lists. Remember, there's 2 of those. I don't know why I didn't bring it over here. There's 4 of these if I could get it apart. And then all your little sheets here. You got all these and your washi and your pen. So you got quite a bit of stuff here on this one. Sticker wise, just no journal. So I hope that this is okay. I hope nobody gets mad at me for not having a journal. I just didn't think that this theme would go very well in journal form. But now that I think back on it, it would have been perfect in journal form because this is where we could have made all of our lists for like yard work and all that kind of stuff. So I'm sorry about the journal, but I think that I put together a pretty decent journaling kit here. And then don't forget, we have all the monthly challenges coming up. There'll be 4 of them this month. And I have some other things that I'm going to add in. So there'll also be some prompts in the middle that you can also upload if you don't feel like any of the actual words that we put out, the 4 words aren't enough, or it's not like hitting you to make you want to journal. I'm going to also put up some actual like not word prompts, sentence prompts, so that you can just fill out a sentence and then do what you like with it to upload it into the folder so that you can win your $25 credit. So anyway, that's everything that I have. I hope you guys have a fantastic day and I will see you again on the next one. Bye.